Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. Again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima for the continuation of our video for the Zastone D500 mini mobile radio. So we are about to assemble this Zastone D500. So let's go. Okay, so the front or the head panel, I guess just like just like this. Okay, so the adhesive for this one will be put in here. Okay, so first we have to open this one. This block screw goes in here. Okay. Maybe this one, or okay, this right here. So guys, I'm not pretty sure of what I'm doing, so correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, it's my first time on having this Zastone D500. It's okay, just like that. So okay, so we need to connect. Okay, this one inside. Okay, so let's remove this one first. Okay, now I guess. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so first we need to remove this one. Okay, just like that. So let's assemble the bracket here. So let's see these screws. One, two, three, and four. Okay, 4 screws. So we need to use a screwdriver. Let's check. Okay. Okay, just like that. Not too tight. Okay. Just like that, fellow hams. So also we have here for the hand mic. Okay, just like that. So first we need to unscrew this first. Okay, place the okay. Just simple as that. Okay, so this one, fellow hams, it's a extension cable for the transceiver in the front panel, so we can use this also. So this one goes in here, this smaller one. Okay, as you can see, fellow hams, there is a size difference between the two. So this one is smaller, larger one. This bigger one goes here to the transceiver, and this smaller one goes right here on the front panel of the Zaston D500. So if you were using a car, if you want to mount the D500 on your vehicle, on your mobile, you can use this car charger or the lighter jack connected on a T connector, and just like that. Okay, so if you don't want to place it in your car, in your vehicle, you can you can possibly cut here in your desired length and connect it directly into your power supply. So that's it for now, fellow hams. Kindly support my channel. I also have the TikTok account. It is at dw3vtl.ham.radio. So I'll put on the description my other social media accounts, like my Facebook page, my TikTok account, and also my WhatsApp and my email address. So that's it for now, fellow hams. Thank you for the support. 73 and mabuhay.